flat irons, $10 big lock. So
what's up, y'all? It's your girl Taja Mache, and welcome to my channel. As always, I keep forgetting the intro. So right here you see me applying foundation to my stocking cap. I am doing the ball cap method. And then I'm going to take some alcohol and I'm going to clean around my edges, you know. And the rest of this recording, I should be talking. So without further ado, let's just hop right into the video. My wig, see where I want it placed at. It is. It's a. We're gonna make it work. And I had that's that you see. And I can see this. Over bleach my knots a little bit. So right here, I'm just cutting my ear tabs. I'm gonna go in this part right here. I'm gonna go ahead and lift that up and cut that off. And y'all be careful because you don't want to cut your edges. So just be careful. Lift up and cut. My ear tabs over here is cut. I'm using Ghost Line XL. And I'm just gonna put a little bit on, I'm gonna lift up, put a little bit to outline where everything is at. Just gonna put some down on the back of my hand. So I want my hair to sit right there. So I'm going just to make sure it. I usually use this, so I'm gonna use this.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to one you.
Yeah, my camera died, so I mean not my camera, my phone. I told my camera girl bye. My phone died, but I had to put my phone on charger for a little bit. But this is my last layer, and then I'm gonna glue this down. Then I'm gonna have to come. Let me back up. I'm gonna glue this down. Then I'm gonna have to come back to y'all just due to the fact that I gotta go get on the road at 7:30, and it is 7:30. So yeah. Excuse me. That is not that light. When you see me, it'll already be laid down in my scalp, in my scalp. It'll already be laid down in the glue and stuff.
One eternity later.
Okay, I gotta hurry up. My alarm went off like 5 minutes ago. I'm actually not gonna cut my lace right now. I'm gonna wait until I get back. So, yeah. But I'm finna put this little band across. Y'all, this be hurting my forehead. Like, it be giving me a headache. I ain't even gonna lie to you. But I just want my shit to be real tight.
Period.
So, it bothers me, but it don't like. Follow me. And then while I sit.
One eternity later.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Different setting, I know. I'm in my room. I just got back to the house. You know my head hurt. Look at my daggone eyebrows. They all the way up there. I'm excited. I'm hot. Hold on. I'm back. My son finna come in here.
Okay.
What?
Okay.
Where your blanket? Go get your blanket. My son's somebody, he cold and I'm in here about to burn up. I got these little cheap flat irons. So I'm gonna be honest with you. What you giving it to me for?
It's mine.
Yeah, go watch TV. Mommy doing something. Here.
You have it.
You want me to put it on you?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Give me some back, y'all. So, I'm tired, but I'm gonna spray my hair with some little heat protectant. And I got this little cheap flat iron. It's not gonna get my hair bone straight. It's not. I'm just finna use this just for the meantime. When I go to my cousin's house, I'll use her flat iron. Cause she got that what is it called? Baby Bliss titanium flat iron. And but I get my natural hair done with that. It's the truth. So I'm just gonna lightly press my hair with this because it's not gonna get my hair bone straight. I'll tell y'all that right now. I bought this flat iron from Big Lots and it was like $10. So it's not that great. It's not, but it's gonna have to do for right now. And I'm using a chasing method with my comb. It feels good though. Like, it feels real good.
All night, say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me.
Right? Yeah, I'm so tired. I know it ain't bone flat because, like I said, flat irons $10, Big Lots.
Flat irons, $10, Big Lots. So
This ain't even a ceramic flat iron. It's time to cut this lace off now, y'all. Moment of truth. So let's cut this lace off and then clean up, do us some baby hairs. I'm not really good with baby hairs. I ain't gonna lie.
All night, say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. Got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky.
I done told y'all y'all, like I was rushing a little bit because I had to meet my best friend because I had left my makeup brushes at her house. I gotta clean like some of this glue up. So I did my baby hairs off camera, you guys, because like I said, I am not that good with baby hair. So I did do all my baby hairs off camera, and so far I think I like it. The lace lays great. I don't know if that's due to me having that elastic band tied on my hair for an hour, because I told y'all I did well, y'all might not know because I don't know if I'm doing voiceover or not, but if I don't, I had already told y'all that I had to go meet my best friend to go pick up my makeup brushes. So it was because it was a 30-minute ride there, 30-minute back, so it was a good minute. And so far I'm really loving my results. Like I am. I know it's gonna take more practice for me to get to like what I really want to get it, but for the most part I am satisfied. As far as shedding goes, I do get some shedding now. Fresh out the pack, it was no shedding, but I do get some shedding. It's not a whole lot, and that shedding is probably coming from the fact that I did bleach the knots, and bleach did get on the actual hair, which I haven't even concealed my hairline, my what is this called? My part. I haven't even concealed my part, and I really don't think I am. I think it looks good like this. I don't think I'm gonna conceal it. If I do conceal it, it'll be tomorrow when I do my makeup, and I do have a vlog coming, so y'all stay tuned. I like it. I do. It's soft. The lace laid great, and I am not like, I hate, and when I say I hate frontal, yeah, closure, because I hate frontals, but I feel like this lace laid so good. Like it laid so good to the point where I'm gonna be a hairstylist, y'all, so I'm like, let me show y'all. And don't mind my attire, please don't. So this is it. This is probably the best install I have ever done. I don't know if that's because of the fact that I'm actually recording, so I took my time, because y'all, I didn't rush. Like I am loving this, y'all. Like I said, my baby hairs ain't even, but I am loving this. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. See y'all in my next video. Bye.